Hello. So I guess this is the start of my moving vlog. It is August 10th, and we moved September 3rd. So I have quite some time, and I've been telling myself I will do at least one box a day, even on the weekdays, so that it's not as much of a daunting task. And I think I've done really good so far. I'll show you kind of what I have done. But one thing I refused to do, which I did the last time I moved, was take down everything off the walls too soon. I've been taking down like a lot of it, but the stuff that makes this feel like a home, I won't do till the last minute, because I got like really sad really early last time because it was like done way too quickly. As much as my type A personality wants to have it all done like yesterday, I'm like taking my time this time. So let me show you what I have kind of so far. Don't mind my hair. I'm like about to jump in the shower and I don't know what to do with the greasy mess, but okay. So this is where our table used to be. I pulled up the light fixture a little bit so I could get underneath here, and then I'm using this area as my packed and ready to go area, because we don't really have like a separate room other than the laundry room that I could fill, but then we wouldn't be able to do our laundry. So unfortunately it's like smack dab in the middle of the apartment is where everything has been going. As you can see, I've got everything off the bar cart. Got the chairs in a weird spot. I got everything off here. Most of it off here, but like I said, I'm not making it totally bare, so it's still homey for the rest of the month. I haven't even started on my bedroom yet, but the kitchen is, gosh, it doesn't look like it, but like we're getting there with the kitchen. I've emptied like, things that we don't need, like stuff at the top there, and a couple of these bottom ones. Tonight, I'm gonna do some of these mugs that we don't really use, but we're gonna keep. That's the other thing. I totally purged a lot of my stuff and I'm giving it to Goodwill. So I'm not bringing things into the new place that I'm not using. If I didn't use it in the 2 years that we lived here, then I'm not gonna use it. Right? That's what I'm telling myself anyway. So for tonight, I did one box already of random kitchen stuff, and then I'm gonna finish those cups real quick and I'll catch up with you guys in the next few days. This video will span a month or so. So here we go. Hello. We are now at August 24th. Is it 24th? Like a week from tomorrow is when we get the keys. And I had the great idea to get boxes from my boss because his sister just moved. And he handed me all these boxes today, and he said there were wardrobe boxes in there. Wardrobe boxes. And I didn't know how big they were going to be. Let me show you what I'm working with. I'm kind of running out of space to put them. Look. So, this is the wardrobe box I just filled. It's one of those fancy kinds that has like the bar to hang stuff in. I just took stuff from the closet and put clothes in there. But this is as big as me, right? I'll show you like me trying to pick it up. It's a joke. And then I got all these other boxes from him too, and they're huge, and I'm like running out of space to put things. Like I don't know where to put this, and I don't know how I'm going to lift it. But seriously, watch this. Like, look at me compared to the box. First of all, and then I filled up with clothes, so like, where am I gonna put it? And how do you grab this? I just ripped this. I ripped the handle too, so like. Like, we live on the second floor too, so how am I gonna... Like, I'm not kidding, I have no torque. And now I have 3 of these boxes. What the heck am I gonna do with it? I need to figure out somewhere to put it in the meantime, and I need to figure out how to move it over there, so enjoy the show. I gotta put it over there. Is there gonna be any way of TV? Okay. Last time I just did trash bags over clothes. That worked way better, but somehow when I got offered the boxes, I was like, yeah! Good idea! SOS. Are you helping me, Mike? Yeah. Daddy and I were blocking until they soar. Oh yeah, that's not good. Shoot! Can't have that. Babe! Can I help? Where should I put this?
I literally don't know.
Ah.
Tell me what you think, and I'll try to help you.
No.
You chose to pack that box. I don't know what to tell you.
I really thought it was gonna be helpful. We can put it here. I'm not kidding, like I'm out of breath. I don't know. Okay, obviously I can't use more of those. Shoot. That's where I'm at right now. Tomorrow's 1 week till we get keys. I'm so excited. And I've been feeling like super calm because I've been doing everything slowly but surely, but like today it just kind of hit me that like 1 week is tomorrow and like there's still a lot of things I need to do. A lot of it's like last minute though, you know? Because you need to use like your freaking coffee maker till the last day, you know? Okay, I'll see you in a few days and hopefully I figured out where to put the box. Hi, it is now August 28th and we move on the 3rd. And today I've reached the point where I am taking stuff off the walls, like our decor and stuff, which is always the saddest part, but we're getting in the home stretch, so I'm excited. So today, just working on like taking down decor stuff. And I honestly just woke up from like a mini nap. Like I'm so tired and it's like 6 o'clock at night and I just woke up. So I have like such low energy today, but we're gonna tackle this wall with all the pictures on it, so let's do it.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends.
Hey, I'm out here looking like shiz because I've been up so early today. It's Friday, the day before moving. Before we actually get the U-Haul. And I've literally not stopped moving all day and it's like almost 6 p.m. But, like, here's a preview of what we're dealing with here. I don't know if I mentioned this, but we actually got the keys to the place Tuesday night instead of Thursday. So we've had like 5 days to bring our stuff in. So a lot of it is over there already, which is awesome. But look, my bed's on the floor. We took apart the bed frame. This is my huge mirror that my sister and my mom and I figured out how to wrap. You should have seen us doing this. It was hilarious. Closet's all empty for the most part. Yeah, it's just crazy, but I'm gonna go to the house tonight again and just try to like move stuff out of the way so that we can pull in the big furniture tomorrow, but that's where I'm at. I feel so tired. Like I didn't sleep last night because my brain is just so excited and like all over the place, so looking like shit. What else is new, you know? But I'll see you tomorrow for moving day. Morning. I woke up like this. It is 7 a.m. on moving day. I literally just rolled out of bed. But I'm so excited I barely slept. So there's that. Hey guys, so it turns out I'm the literal worst and I forgot to film anything of the actual moving day when all our family and friends were there. But basically all you need to know is it went super well. We got done in like an hour and a half and I was so grateful to have everybody's help that day. We are in the new house. We are obsessed with it, and a video of like revealing our new house will be soon. I just have to like, you know, finish a couple things with the house so it feels done enough to show YouTube. But that's gonna be all for the video. Sorry I looked like ass on a stick the whole video. Thanks for watching.